How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Xfinity router or modem onto your television. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, power on the Xfinity device itself. And if your modem have the HDMI out to television, you just want to make sure to plug both devices onto your Xfinity and to your television. From there, to make things easier, we can then use a connection called the LAN cable, which will look something like this. From here, you then want to plug this onto the back of your Xfinity device. It's going to be this exact plug right here. And then you want to plug it directly onto your television, which will have exactly the same plug. Now, if your router or modem doesn't have this LAN cable, we can quickly, or we can just connect directly onto the Wi-Fi itself. So onto your smart television, you just want to head over to settings. In here, navigate through network, and then you want to click on the Wi-Fi direct. In this way, we'll be able to connect to the Wi-Fi connection of our Xfinity modem right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.